Hi, Reese. I'm hoping that this video will help to clarify the directions for the document that I sent you. So you are permitted to pick whatever text structure you would like to write in. So you could choose description, you could choose problem and solution, cause and effect, compare and contrast, sequence and order, okay? So those are the 5 different text structures. I chose problem and solution, and so I just created a simple graphic organizer that I could fill out with my information. So I wanted to write about procrastination, which means waiting to the last minute to do things. So I said procrastinating can be a problem. You could use a calendar to manage your time. You could make to-do lists to help you stay focused, and you could use a timer so you don't lose track of time. So here's the problem, and here are some solutions to solve the problem, okay? Then in the bottom box, I went ahead and typed out my rough draft. So it says, you might be a procrastinator if you wait till the last moment to do things. If this sounds like you, here are 3 suggestions to help you fight procrastination. Use a calendar to help you manage your time. You can also make to-do lists to help you stay focused on what needs to be done. Another helpful tool is a timer. You can set it to help you keep track of time. By doing these things, you might just save yourself some stress and anxiety too, okay? So you can see that I kind of defined what procrastination means as my topic sentence and said, you know, that it can be an issue, okay, or a problem, and then some ways you can solve that problem, okay? So you can choose a problem and a solution, or you can, you know, maybe write about an event that occurs in order, or giving directions on how to do something like bake a cake or make cookies. That would be order and sequence, okay? So you want to think about which text structure and how you can go ahead then and show that. So let me just pull up let me pull up my document here, my notes for, here it is. Okay, so you should have this. We either cut and pasted this in, or you have a printout of this sheet, right? It should be in your notes. If not, I will attach one to this message. You can use this as an example. So what you want to do is you can use any of these graphic organizers for the different types of text structures, and then these are the signal words that you're going to want to use in your writing, okay? So I will send that to you, and then if you have further questions, you can just email me back, or you can wait till you come back to school. I understand you're coming back on Thursday, all right? All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.